Alright guys, what we're going to talk about today is something very near and dear to my heart, customer service. I work in this field, and I think that it's probably one of the most important aspects of anything we do in our lives is to treat our customers, the people who pay us, keep us employed, with respect. You know, I'm not saying kiss the customer's ass. I don't care what anyone says. The customer's not always right. Half the time they're full of shit. And you know, sometimes you have to work around those parameters. But I don't think customer service is really that hard. I mean, put a nice smile on. Hi, how you doing? Say hi, be friendly, and try to address that person's problem or concern as if it was yours. You know, the best example I can say of this is probably either Fry's or Safeway. I go in there, you know, I'm looking for something. I grab one of the guys. Hey, you know what, man? Can you help me find iced tea? I'm here in the juice aisle, I'm in the soda aisle, I don't know where it's at. Oh, you know what, man, we moved them all to the front. They're on sale right now, 99 cents. Come on over. I will walk you to where they're at. I'm not just going to tell you it's in aisle 15, expect you to find it. I will walk you there, even though I'm not going to go there. You know, like, I have no reason to be there. I'm just going to walk you there to make sure you get there. It's awesome customer service. Whereas if I go to everyone's favorite store, Walmart, you know, you're like, excuse me, I'm in electronics. I am looking for the iPod Touch. Where's that at? I'm sorry, sir. I don't work in this department. I work in women's undergarments. Then what the fuck are you doing in electronics? Get the hell out of here. Find me someone who can. You know? Oh, I'm sorry, sir. I'm covering. No, bitch. You're hovering. Okay? Stop being a bitch. Okay? And with Walmart, another thing I have a problem with is that nobody in the store is smiling, ever. I understand you guys don't have health insurance. It sucks, I know. See my YouTube video on that. Okay? But doesn't mean you can't smile. Like, seriously. At least you're employed. There's people who aren't employed. The only fucking thing in the store that's smiling is the big smiley face. It says rollback. And even that guy's got a half-ass smile. He's like, our prices ain't that low. You know? And what's up with Walmart employees? Like, where do they get their employees from? Because half of them have hickeys, and the other half don't have any teeth. And then, like, 3/4 of the women have what I like to call the wall mullet, okay, which is short up top, long in the back. Business in the front, party in the back. Yeah, women's mullet. It's nasty, okay? And you wonder, is there, like, a particular barber for this? Do you have to fly to Arkansas to get a buzz cut like that? Like, where the hell is Walmart hiring from? The fucking cesspool in the gene pool? Like, are you serious? Anyways, aside from bad customer service in person, you also have it over the phone. You know, you call up Dell's customer support and you're like, hey, I'm getting an error message on my computer. Error message 404. Well, let me just start out by saying that my name is Brad. Okay, first of all, your name isn't Brad, okay? Don't start off lying to me. Okay? I don't want to hear it. Tell me the truth from the get-go. Answer my problem. Okay? Haji, that's your name. Your name is Haji or Muhammad. Shit is not Brad.
Well, sir, let me tell you, my name is Brad. Okay? And, did you make sure that your computer is plugged in?
Yeah, dumb shit. I just told you I'm getting an error message.
But, sir, you did not make sure that the computer is plugged in, did you?
Okay, I looked. It's plugged in.
Did you really look? Because that is the problem most of the time, the computer's not plugged in.
Dude, I'm getting a fucking error message. Answer the question. Do you know how to do it?
Yes, sir, I have a degree in engineering and blah, 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 blah.
Dude, whatever, man. Can I speak to someone American?
Sir, I am American. I am in Florida.
What part of Florida?
Florida City.
Man, click. Fuck that shit. You know, go Google it or something. Which brings me to my next point. You know, something new that's been going on is you can you can instant message the company that you're having a problem with, and then they'll send you a message back. So, you know, I'm having a problem, got an error message. Send. And then you send it, and a couple seconds later, you get a message back saying, sorry, are you a fucking retard? Send a message back, did you just call me retard? Sir, don't ask me the questions. Answer my questions so I can help you address your problem. You just called me fucking retard. Because I get an error message. Sir, you have an addiction to pornography. Looks like you were logging on to a pornography website. It's fucking Yahoo, dude. It's Yahoo. You know, it's Yahoo. I'm not trying to look at nothing nasty yet. Okay? You still haven't answered the retard question. Man, fuck this. I'm done. So, that's all I'm going to say about that. Bad customer service sucks. And, you know, when it happens to you, you want to just pull your hand back and slap the shit out of somebody, you know? And unfortunately, you very rarely get the opportunity to do that without police being involved. So, it is what it is. So, alright guys, well, hope you enjoyed this video. I'm trying to keep them funny. I know I can't always be funny, but leave comments, posts, all that other good stuff, and tell a friend so I can get to 100 views. Talk to you soon. Bye.